All right, today we're gonna be changing. I'm gonna show you guys how to change your tire. It's the easiest thing, and then I'm gonna show you how to change your brakes, and then how to change your rotator on your car. This is a Ford Escape 2006, and I'm just gonna be out here doing this. Hope you enjoy. All right, so right now I'm raising my tire out. All right, tire part, lefty loosey. All right, and then I'm just gonna repeat it until these are really loose. Yeah, see? Using my hand now. Got one out. Alright, now we're gonna raise the tire up again. This is the part where I rip the tire out. Just like that. You got your little first step. You just now learn how to change your tire, and you bring it down from the very back and you switch them out. So that my main goal today is to change the brakes and the rotator. So here we go. So I gotta pop these little things that are behind right here. Knobs. Take those out. There should be another one right here. So my brother's recording. I don't want him near the car. That's why you can't really get all the angles. My little brother is 8, so
10.
He's 10. I was testing him. So I'm just taking these two little nuts out. There's one. That holds the caliper, so. There's the second one. Those are done. Now we take these little things out. Strings. We're gonna reuse these later when we put it back. Or you can call it a rotator. So I'm using this to compress the caliper. The brake pad. Push it back. So whenever you put this back on, the other brake on right here, it fits into this rotator. So that's why I'm doing this right now. That part is done. I don't really have the things that make it hang, so I'm gonna just put it to the side, right there. One's out. It's about to come out of there. That's one of the knots. There's that piece. All right. Woo. It's the part where it begins, all the fun. So we're gonna hammer the rotator, the old one. It's just stuck because it's like rusted it up and it's very old. So you gotta use a hammer. Gotta hammer that thing out. Just like that. Wasn't that hard. I guess I'm too strong. And there's your rotator. It's out. That's the old one. It's rusted all up, as you can see. Very old. So I'm using this WD-40, clean this up. The new one, as you can see, it's very clean. Amazon said I didn't even need to like to clean it. It's not like the ring. I can just put it in there and it's ready to go. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm not really worried about making noise later, so I'm gonna just and there we go. I'm putting this nut right here because I need to hold this rotator from moving when I'm like putting all the other pieces on. So from now, it's just gonna, those are gonna hold it in place. Okay, so there goes that WD-40. Next part, we gotta put this back on. This back in here, it's going in straight like this. Should be facing that way. Put it right behind that thing. Sorry about the details, like I said, my little brother is recording. And I don't really want him getting hurt out here. He's too young for that, so. You can't get in here during the recording. This piece back on. Caliper. About to be the other pad, brake pad. Put it right here. Lining it up. I'm gonna put these little pieces back in here. Snap them. And there we go. And then the next part, we're gonna put these metal piece strings in here. Those are the old ones, they work great. Yep, it's in. Now it's time to get the tire. That's the part that I don't think even a grandma can do. Using a different approach on this. You gotta do a little experiments with them. I'm gonna put the first bolt on the very bottom. I usually go until when I see the car moving, like that. That's when I know that's enough. Just like that, we're done. Hopefully you can save some money. I'm exhausted. Hopefully you can save money by doing your own thing, changing your brakes and your rotators. Yes. I almost forgot one part. You gotta press the brakes down before you drive off, because if you don't, you know what will happen. Your car won't start, and yeah, it'll just be in place. Or it will start, but like whenever you're driving, it won't work, the brakes. So you gotta pump them up. All right, you're just gonna turn your key in your car like that when it runs, and then you're gonna pump the brakes. As you can feel that. Now when it locks up, you start the car. And you keep pressing it for a little bit. I think that's good for now. That's all done. And that's the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it.